Hello, my name is Holly, and I decided to do my project on the Constitution. The Constitution is mentioned throughout the entirety of the text, so it's not really like one chapter. I just chose a general topic. I decided to do my project as a board game, and I have my friend Ellie here to help demonstrate how to play the board game. This is the game that I kind of painted it so it's a little warped, but you start here and then go all the way to the finish, and then you place the cards here. So the board game is a trivia, I'll put it this way, it's a trivia game. It's true or false. These are the answer keys. So all of these are on the cards, and the card deck looks like this. This is my true or false logo for the game. And then some of the questions consist of, is it true or false the Constitution was signed on September 17, 1787? So that would be true. And then on the false, there's some that are like, the Fifth Amendment is the right to bear arms. That would be false because it's the Second Amendment. Or no presidents have signed the Constitution. That would be false because George Washington and Alexander Hamilton have both signed the Constitution. So yeah, the way that the game goes is you roll the dice, and then our characters are these little keys here. So you roll the dice and then pick up a true or false card, which are these here, and they'll be placed here. You pick up the card and read it. True or false, no presidents have signed the Constitution. They look like this. And then I would say that that is false because Alexander Hamilton and George Washington signed the Constitution. And we look at our answer key to make sure that I got that question correct, and I did. It's on the false page. So then I get to move my character 2 spaces, and that's how it goes. If you get the question wrong, you don't get to move. So we're going to play the game, and we're going to get some of them wrong on purpose just so you can see how the game goes. Okay, so now me and Ellie are going to play the game for you guys just to do like a demonstration of how it goes. And Ellie will go first. Okay, so that's a 4.
It took 100 days to actually frame the Constitution. True.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so Ellie got that wrong, right, sorry. So now she gets to move 4 spaces. Okay, now I'll play the game. Okay, 7. True or false, no president signed the Constitution. And that would be false because Alexander Hamilton and George Washington both signed the Constitution. I get to move 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
The First Amendment of the Constitution is the right to free speech, freedom of the press, right to abridge the freedom of speech, and is position to the government. That's true.
Okay, so now you move your spaces. Okay. Second one. Okay, John Hancock has the smallest signature on the Constitution. That would be false. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
The Fifth Amendment is the right to bear arms. True.
Okay, so that one is wrong, so that means Ellie has to skip her turn. This is you, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The Eighth Amendment prohibits cruel and unusual punishments, but also mentions excessive fines and bail. That would be true.
The Constitution cannot and has never been changed or challenged. False.
A total of 39 delegates signed the Constitution. False. Okay, so false is wrong, so I will not be moving spaces.
The Fourth Amendment protects peoples against unreasonable searches and seizures. That's true. That one's me?
Mm-hmm. Okay, we the people of the United States, in order to form a more perfect union, is the last words of the Constitution. That would be false because it is, in fact, the first words of the Constitution. Okay.
The Ninth Amendment prohibits cruel and unusual punishment, but also mentions exclusive fines and bail. True.
Okay, so that one is false, so Ellie has to miss a point, or miss her turn. Okay, there we go. Okay. The Constitution was written. Oh, I forgot. The Constitution was written during the Philadelphia Convention from May 25th to September 17, 1787. That would be true. So I have won the game, and that is how my game went. In my discussion post, I will put a little bit of information about the Constitution and why I chose the board game. Thank you very much.